Again, here is a layout of all the Marvin Window Series products that we carry. So you have the Marvin Signature line, which is their wood. So it's solid wood product. Variety of different wood species available. With the exterior extruded aluminum clad, right? A lot of Marvin's competitors use roll form aluminum, which is the thickness of a soda can. So you can imagine at those joints, this thing bending, bowing, and allowing water to come in. What separates Marvin from its competitors in the wood world is its fit and its finish on the exterior. Inside of the Marvin Signature line, you have a fiberglass product, pultruded fiberglass, that's patented by Marvin. Very high performing in terms of energy, with an aluminum interior. Very, very low profile.